What's going on, guys? It's your girl, Megan Savage, and I have some news to tell you. Last Sunday, myself and my team caught the $10,000 move on BTC, but we didn't do it through your average crypto exchange. We did it on the foreign exchange market. A lot of people have asked me, why do I prefer the foreign exchange market over the crypto market, or let's say the stock market? First off, the stock market is a very good place to go if you're a more conservative trader and you are fine with just placing your money in and letting it run. Obviously, you have to be more of a patient person when dealing with the stock market, but I say more conservative because it's more of the traditional route. And if you're new here and you have no idea what the stock market is, the best way I can explain it is, let's say Tesla is a building, you are buying bricks to that building. So if Tesla's doing well, you make more money. If Tesla's not doing so well, you get the picture. Now, what I will say, there is a lot of money to be made in the crypto market. Personally, with this whole meme coin thing, it's not really my cup of tea. I have heard some crazy stories of people putting in a little bit of an amount and getting huge returns. But again, expectations is very important. With dealing with meme coins, it's very plausible and almost highly likely that you will either get rug pulled or lose a huge portion of what you invested. Personally, I think altcoins are the way to go if you are to do crypto, especially if it has a utility. But again, when you go that route, you have to be able to be patient. The reason I'm very biased towards the foreign exchange market, which is funny because if you knew me at all, I actually was the most scared of that market, is I could be in and out of the market and make my bag literally in a couple hours, sometimes even a couple minutes. So I'm gonna give you a quick trade recap of what exactly went down on Sunday. Me personally, I usually trade indices, so gold, NAS, DJ, but if you are in any of my social medias or any of my channels, you know I've partnered up with other traders that specialize in things like Bitcoin or other foreign exchange currencies. Now, this specific trade, guys, one of the traders that I work with, he was looking at this area for 3 weeks. Funny enough, I just switched over to the daily chart. That same trader, when this was in consolidation, actually caught the move down before it went up. Let's do a quick recap. We're on the daily chart right now. Without going super in depth, we are targeting this daily fair value gap down here, okay? And it was in a discount of the range for the last couple months. After he called this last move and it went down to the daily fair value gap, we went into the 4-hour time frame. And we saw that there was another 4-hour fair value gap up here. Now, without getting like super technical, we went down into smaller time frames to find our exact final TP that we took, but the trade played out beautifully. And I do believe that it will still continue to go bullish. I really want to say this so you guys can hear me. This trade was not just based off of fair value gaps. There's about 5 other confluences that I use in order to take these trades. If you ever see someone taking trades off of 1 or 2 confluences, they're probably not going to be that profitable. There's a lot that goes on behind the scenes for traders that actually have profitability. And I have something special that I'm going to tell you guys about at the end of this video, so you're able to actually do trades like this as well. If you were to hold crypto and had about a $10,000 account, you would have made about $1,000 off that trade, which is pretty nice. But with a live Forex account with $10,000, with you risking only 5%, which is about $500, you would have made $5,000 off that move in like 2.5 hours. This is exactly why I prefer the foreign exchange market over anything else. Now, before y'all ask about crypto futures, that's great and all, and it is pretty dope, but it's not readily available for everybody in the world. As an example, currently I'm in Ontario. I hate it, but I currently can't even trade futures, even if I wanted to. Some people ask me, well, Megan, why don't you spot trade? But the thing is you'll never have as much leverage as you would with Forex. Trade smart, not hard. If you guys want to see some of the actual results that my team got, I'm going to attach my personal broadcast channel to this video so you guys can see it yourself and get live updates on trades that I'm taking. Again, past performance doesn't guarantee future gains. I'm not a financial advisor, but these are just trades that I'm specifically taking, not financial advice. Now, I was launching something big last Monday, so I was unable to do the Mindset Monday video. So I'm gonna give you guys some mindset tips here in this video. Number 1, you need to start being in a place where you can actually receive this money. What I mean by that short and sweet is, how do you talk to yourself about receiving large sums of money, about getting a lot of financial success? What I knew was gonna happen when I started posting about this trade is I was gonna get a lot of brokies in my DMs that probably still live with their parents telling me it was impossible that I did a 46% return on one of the TPs. I get tons of comments about how the top traders in the world only do like 5%. First off, the reason of this is because they have such big of an account that 5% is what they're comfortable living like. And if that's okay with them, then that's okay with them. We do not know other people's financial positions. But if I let those brokies get into my head about this, I would not be able to get returns like this. Stop letting other people's limited mindsets stop you from receiving a lot of wealth. How do you talk to yourself when you start thinking about receiving a lot of money, when you start having financial success and abundance. If you say things like, oh, that's crazy, couldn't happen to me. First off, why are you so special? It's happened to other people that are less deserving, so why can't it happen to you? Another thing I want to add mindset-wise is I was prepared for this trade to lose. Even though this trade had a lot of confluences, I was not full porting my account. I was setting myself up with the appropriate risk. So I was not worried, even though there was absolutely no drawdown on this trade, I was not worried if it did go, because if it stopped, it stopped. It's a lesson, whatever. I had the appropriate risk. My last mindset point I want to give you guys is there are going to be tons of trades that go into drawdown or go super high in profit just to reverse and hover in drawdown. Now, I'm not saying this is you, but I have seen this happen before. Traders that just start trading with me, they focus more on the dollar amount rather than the percentage of their actual trades. And they do not trust their trades, meaning they've actually missed out on profit because when they saw it go up just to go back into drawdown, they pulled out because they didn't want to lose anymore. And then it shot right back up and hit all TPs. You need to trust your trade. Once you place it, leave it alone. The trader who actually spotted this first got the biggest P&L from this trade. I hope he doesn't get mad that I'm telling you this, but he took this on one of his live accounts and he risked about $900 to get 10,000. I don't know what else I need to tell you guys. That being said, guys, this is a little of a trade recap I wanted to give you. But like I said before, I have something special for you. I launched something earlier this week. It is something absolutely massive. And it's going to help you guys be able to understand and eventually take trades just like this all on your own. I launched a free, absolutely free, you don't have to pay me $1, trading group. I partnered with other traders from all over the world who have the same goal as me about helping people start their trading journey and become profitable as soon as possible. This is what I'm most excited about. In this group, there are free signals for every session. So it doesn't matter where you are on the planet, you will be able to get signals 24/7. Yep, because they're trading crypto as well. And you'll get to meet these traders because we have trade lounge calls where you can hop on with them. They happen a few times a week and actually get to chat with them, see how they are, and maybe even take some live trades. Finally, what I'm most excited about is me and one of the other main traders launched an SMC fundamentals course. So you guys will start to understand the confluences that I used to even take this trade. All you have to do is fund your account. You can make real money using what I'm giving you for free. All the information for that will be down below in the description. But besides that, guys, I'll see you on the next video. I appreciate all your love and support, and I'd also appreciate a like and subscribe. Any questions you have below, feel free to leave in the comments. And remember, like always, you're savage, not average. I'll see you on the next video.